There are many questions that need to be asked when considering this topic, such as, how do we define life? Why do I want a longer life? What is the price I will pay, financially, physically, or karmically? What are the moral effects? What is the procedure? Will it hurt? What would I do with all the extra time I would have? One of the questions I'm thinking about personally is whether any of my current ailments could be cured or corrected. Is long life only possible for those who are perfectly healthy? Many of these fall into the category of the old saying, be careful what you ask for. What if you would have to work 20 hours a day for the rest of your long life to pay for the solution? Would you want to live a long life as a disembodied head? The possibilities can get even more unpleasant than that. I'll let your imagination take you there. I'm inspired by a book called Lifespan: Why We Age and Why We Don't Have to, by David A. Sinclair, Ph.D., with Matthew D. LaPlante. Sinclair is a professor of genetics at Harvard University. In his book, Sinclair attempts to answer some of the questions we just went through. His theory is that aging can be stopped if enough resources were devoted to it. And he goes into the technical reasons why this is the case, and makes the case for classifying aging as a disease. A word of warning. While you don't have to be a PhD to understand the book, it is very technical at times. It's not for the faint of heart. So, here are the topics we'll cover in the series. Reclassifying aging as a disease. The idea of aging as a treatable disease and its implications for medical research and funding. The information theory of aging. Let's explore how aging is viewed as a loss of information in our epigenome and the science behind it. Longevity genes. In this episode, we'll delve into the roles of sirtuins, NAD, and other longevity genes in extending lifespan. Calorie restriction and fasting. We'll discuss the benefits of calorie restriction and intermittent fasting on longevity. Exercise and longevity. This episode examines how different types of exercise can activate longevity genes and improve health. Cold and heat exposure. We discuss the benefits of exposing the body to less than comfortable temperatures for longevity. Future medicines and technologies.